how to put COD in TikTok Shop. Add cash on delivery to TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how you will be able to add COD on your different products. And to get started, simply locate your product section over here on the left side and click on Manage Product or Add New Product. Managing a product in the managed product, it's going to be the same process. You're just going to modify the existing information and you will be able to find the information that you need under shipping over here. So let me select a random category over here just for the sake of demonstrating so we could view our shipping section over here, which will only be unlocked after you set up a category. And over here at the bottom under shipping, you will be able to see that there's an option cash on delivery. So simply enable this if you want to have a cash on delivery on the product that you're trying to sell, or if you don't want to have cash on delivery, that is how you will be able to disable it as well. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.